Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Aqueous humor. First, in the aqueous humor, we should see the formation of aqueous humor. Rate of formation of aqueous humor is 2.3 microliter per minute. Rate of formation of aqueous humor is 2.3 microliter per minute, and the formation occurs through a non-pigmented epithelial cells of the pars placata of ciliary body. So non-pigmented epithelial cells of pars placata of the ciliary body, these are the ones which will actually secrete the aqueous humor. So aqueous humor is secreted by non-pigmented epithelial cells of pars placata of ciliary body. It is secreted by three methods. One, secretion; two, it is secreted by ultrafiltration; and three, it is secreted by diffusion. Okay, then aqueous humor. What are the components of aqueous humor? Components of aqueous humor are: it contains proteins, sodium, potassium, magnesium, urea, and glucose is present. And these proteins, sodium, potassium, magnesium, urea, glucose, are less than the body blood plasma composition. They are less than their, see, proteins in the aqueous humor is less than that of blood plasma. Similarly, sodium, potassium, magnesium, urea, glucose present in the aqueous humor is less than the blood plasma, whereas the other uh, things like other components like chloride, lactate, pyruvate, bicarbonate, and ascorbate are actually present in more concentration than the plasma. So these are present in aqueous humor in more composition than the plasma.
thank you and thank you for watching.